JLPT, Japanese Language Proficiency Test, and 5 kanjis.
Right, let's learn one by one. Meaning of this kanji.
やす、
rest,
おいぶ、やす、
Similar kanji of this kanji. Kunyomi reading of this kanji.
休む、休まる、休める、
Onyomi reading of this kanji.
急、
Next, we can practice writing this kanji. It's have 6 strokes. Compound of the kanji character. In this part, we are going to learn how to use kunyomi and onyomi readings.
休む、
to rest,
休み、
holiday,
休日、
day off,
休憩、
break,
休校、
school closure,
休止、
pause,
Further meanings of this character.
day off, retire, sleep,
Meaning of similar kanjis.
体、
body,
本、
book, origin,
服、
lie down,
木、
tree,
Thanks for learning with us. See you with next kanji lesson.